Phosphating process in the manufacturing process of steel doors. Corrosion resistance is a critical factor. The phosphating process, as an essential technology for enhancing the corrosion resistance of steel doors, ensures the long-term durability of the doors in harsh environments. Phosphating process types. The phosphating process commonly seen in the market is divided into traditional phosphating and 6-in-1 phosphating. The traditional phosphating process requires the door frames and door panels to be treated in 6 different tanks sequentially. Step 1. Immersion in the degreasing tank. First, the door frames and door panels are placed into the first tank, which contains chemical substances such as soda ash, caustic soda, TH10 detergent, and pentahydrate. They are left to sit for 15 minutes to remove grease and rust. This step effectively cleans the surface impurities, laying the foundation for the subsequent phosphating process. Step 2. Immersion in the rinse tank. Next, the door frames or door panels that were immersed in the degreasing tank are placed into the rinse tank. In this second tank, the door frames and panels are thoroughly rinsed with clean water, effectively removing any remaining residues from the previous step. Step 3. Surface adjustment and activation. The third step involves surface adjustment and activation using a titanium-based surface activator. This process not only shortens the time required for the subsequent phosphating, but also increases the density and corrosion resistance of the phosphate coating. Step 4. Phosphating treatment. After surface adjustment, the door panels and frames are placed into the phosphating tank, where they are left to sit for 15 to 20 minutes to ensure a thorough reaction. We add chemicals such as phosphoric acid, zinc oxide, and nitric acid to form a dense phosphate coating. This coating not only enhances the corrosion resistance and wear resistance of the steel doors, but also improves surface adhesion, making the subsequent painting and coloring more durable. Step 5. Immersion in the rinse tank. Again afterward, the door panels and frames are rinsed in the 5th tank to ensure that any remaining chemical residues are thoroughly removed. Step 6. Impurity removal. After a second rinse with clean water, the door is placed into a tank containing industrial sodium hydroxide, where impurities are further removed, enhancing the door's rust prevention capabilities. 6-in-1 phosphating process. A new 6-in-1 phosphating process has emerged in the market, where all the chemicals are mixed and treated in a single tank. Differences between the two phosphating processes, however, due to the lack of the step-by-step treatment found in the traditional process. The 6-in-1 phosphating process does not form a phosphate film on the surface of steel doors, resulting in less effective corrosion and rust resistance. Overall, traditional phosphating is preferred for its thoroughness and effectiveness in enhancing the durability of steel doors. USELUCK's commitment. USELUCK has been dedicated to door manufacturing for over 20 years. We remain committed to using the traditional phosphating process to ensure that each door we produce exhibits outstanding rust and corrosion resistance. We will continue to provide the highest quality steel door solutions by adhering to our proven traditional phosphating methods.